Okay, what's going on, guys? It's VP Roofing here. This house is Peggy P's house. We're gonna be doing a repairability test, so I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible not to damage any shingles above, below, or around it. So let's get started. You can just see before I start that this whole house is really brittled. You just tell it needs a whole new roof, but let's try our best not to damage this. Trying to break the tar strip so I'm able to take off the shingle. You can just tell by me lifting this up that it causes creases. You can just pull this out. There's the shingle. Take out all the nails. Oops, caused damage right here. Okay, that should be all the nails. Let's put this in. Put on the keyway. Okay, it's on the keyway. Now we're gonna put 6 or 7 nails. Let's put my phone down right here. So I'm going to have to lift this up high enough to be able to nail this down without trying to not cause any creasing right here, which is pretty hard because this shingle's really brittled. 1, 2, you can see a crease right here lifting this up. More creases right here. Okay, so now we're gonna nail above right here, which is more difficult to not damage. It's pretty tricky. How's it bad now? Let's take this one out. You can just tell I'm causing further damage lifting this up because I'm nailing this in, and you can just see the crease also cause damage right here and right here, as you can see. Let's lift this up. Guys, you're able to see the creases I caused right here, as well as damage right here, damage right here, as well as more creases right here, especially right here. Caused further damage. This roof is not repairable. It needs a whole new roof, as you can see all around the roof.